We're here Wednesday before the Monster Cup. We're getting things finalized on the race bike. Final settings, suspension, motor, chassis, everything like that. So we're comfortable for the race this weekend. Try to go there and win the race. A lot of man hours, man. We've been working really hard trying to get the bike, exactly where we want it, with suspension, motor, pipe and silencer, just little different things, hints and clutches. FMF spent a lot of hours on getting the pipe and silencer exactly where I wanted it, a little bit more bottom end and stuff like that. So, yeah, I'm happy with the bike and look forward to this weekend. It feels great to be back in the Suzuki. I felt really comfortable. Right as soon as I got back on the bike, I knew this is the bike I wanted to ride. Coming off of 08 and 09, I felt so comfortable on the motorcycle that I knew it'd be an easy transition for me to go back to the Suzuki. And knowing that my success on the Suzuki was so great that it was my obvious choice to go to the yellow. One, two. Not as good. What is not as good? The higher RPM? Yeah, I got a lot of wheel spin. It was by far the fastest takeoff and going down there. Lauren thinks it was the fastest. Can we just give it one more good try? Yeah, let me just give it one more good try, man. We're trying to judge everything off of one start. I'm excited for this weekend. I think it's going to be a cool race. Something different with a hybrid track. A little bit of supercross, a little bit of motocross. It should be interesting. I think that the fans are definitely in for a good treat. With over and under bridges and bringing back the semis for the heat race after the heat races. So I think it's pretty cool. I'm looking forward to it, and I think the fans are definitely going to be in for a good race. Goals this weekend, obviously is to go there and try to win. Everybody wants to win the million. That's the main goal. For me, to go out there and give 100% effort and get some good starts and try to win the race. That's my goal. I feel confident in my bike and my ability that you know, I can get good starts and run up front and possibly win the race. And I think that it's going to be a good weekend for us. And you know, my dad and Terry Varner, my mechanic, so we've been putting in a lot of effort and a lot of man hours, like I said. So we're really going to try hard this weekend and go for it.
How is it to have Varner back on your side?
It's great. Varner's a great guy, you know, really smart, you know, man. He knows a lot about motorcycles, and I'm just glad that he's back and working with me.